It's real. Harsh environments, unpredictable weather, rusted steel. What's your defense against the elements? Atkore Defender's premium finish. It's advanced superior corrosion protection for your steel strut products. Backed by a 10-year warranty, it gives you the confidence that your system will survive the elements. Let's face it, you work hard. Choose a coating that will last. Hot-dipped galvanizing has been an industry standard for decades, but modern materials science has developed a superior solution. Atkore Defender's premium finish applied to steel can last 3 times longer than hot-dipped galvanized and can keep a rust-free appearance for years.
We've been in the same industry, we've been in the same area for 30 years. We're dealing with the same customers we were dealing with 20 years ago. So we can't put an inferior product in and then know that 10 years from now I'll be getting a phone call. We don't do the one and done jobs very often. And then also we do large projects that may last 3 to 4 years. So what we install on day one, we have to give it a warranty on year 4. That's something that we rely on, is that longevity, because we're not going anywhere, our customers aren't going anywhere, and we want something that'll last.
Hot dip galvanized has for a long time been the standard in the industry. It's what's known, it's what everybody's comfortable with. It's had a good run, but Atkore Defender has really proven itself as the next generation for coating in outdoor applications. It performs better. We also have 9 years of installations now, proving that it does really work in the field.
Atkore Defender has self-healing properties. The cut ends can re-protect themselves with no touch-up required, and scratches and cuts are no problem.
The self-healing property is a crazy phenomenon. A lot of people don't believe it when they first hear it. So when you cut the channel with other methods like hot dip galvanizing, you have to coat the end of the channel. With Atkore Defender, you don't need to coat the ends. You can cut it, leave it, install it. It's going to re-protect itself. It saves you all that labor, saves you the cold gal spray, saves you end caps, saves you whatever other method you might need to protect that end.
You don't have to do as much. The product makes it simpler. If you cut it, it heals itself. What could be simpler than that?
Atkore Defender's premium finish can lower project and system costs. Over the life of the product, you avoid costly replacement and maintenance. It also eliminates the need for expensive stainless steel fasteners, saving you up to 40% in material costs.
Our customers want low maintenance products. They don't want to have to go back and fix anything. So with us, when we use the Defender Unistrut, it keeps us from having to go back. It keeps repairs to a minimum, because a lot of our places are hard to get to. And then also we have less product on our trucks, meaning we don't have to have stainless, we don't have to have galvanized, we don't have to have zinc coated. We can carry one product and it's not too cost prohibitive.
This product in particular, it's innovative. It will give their customers, number one, a better job. Number two, they're going to save their labor cost, and they're going to save money also. So it's a win-win-win for any contractor to use.